Hello everyone. Today I'll be taking you through how you can successfully connect SeerBit payments on Xero. Let's get into the video. Visit the landing page xero.seerbitapi.com. Click on Get SeerBit for Xero. Click on Connect to Xero and allow that page load. So you get this authorization page. Click on Allow Access. Once this loads up, you have to input your API keys to be able to connect your SeerBit account. So go to another tab, open your SeerBit dashboard, log in. Let's wait for that to load up. Pick the business accounts that you want to connect to Xero. Click on Settings, go to API keys and copy your secret key. Go back to the Xero landing page, paste that, go back to SeerBit dashboard, copy your public keys, then go back to the Xero integration page and paste that. Save your settings and you have successfully connected your SeerBit account to Xero. Now, for you to check and see if this connection is successful, go to Xero, go back to your Xero dashboard, click on your business name, go to Settings, scroll down to Online Payments and click on that. Wait for it to load up a bit, then click on the drop-down Customs. You'll see SeerBit is connected via Xero App Store. Then just beside that, click on Connected Services and you see that SeerBit too is connected here. So there's one more step to make sure that your Xero account is fully connected to SeerBit. Go to Connected Apps in Settings, and you'll see that SeerBit is connected. Here you can disconnect SeerBit in future if you want to. And that is how you can successfully connect SeerBit on Xero. Thank you.